Boy, this looks different with nobody here. We plan to rehang art in the restaurant every year, but ever since we did the fallen fruit installation, I love it and people love it, so there's really no need to redo it. This is one of my favorite pieces because I commissioned it for this very spot. The artist is Larry Shank from California, and I'd seen his work in a place in Napa Valley. And I thought how much fun it'd be to have a character in that bar. So we worked on this together, and he's holding an apple, and people rub it for good luck. So Fallen Fruit created this room. The wallpaper they made from photographs they took at our farm. And then they wanted the bison heads from the farm. And then the photographs of the bison are from our farm, but they're mixed together with these historic pictures of Native Americans. So who would have ever thought of all that together? But it works so beautifully, I can't imagine taking it down. We've redone the upholstery in here too, which is great, just in time to close. The bison heads are actually from animals at our farm. This guy was one of the very first bulls we had. We called him Jack. Jack for Jack Daniels. Even though it's one installation, each room has a different story to tell. And my favorite is our private dining room, which obviously is all packed up because we're closed, but I feel like this is sort of walking into a portrait of Laura Lee and me. They came into our house and asked permission to take whatever they wanted, and we gave it to them. So this is sort of a scrapbook or a collection of things that they saw and identified with and thought was interesting. So I love the contrast between the two walls. Laura Lee is organized, sophisticated, very orderly, and mine is totally chaotic, which of course is appropriate. We can't look at my wall without seeing my life clock. It says now that I have 7 years, 9 months, 16 days. I think of it as just a reminder that time is precious and how important it is not to waste time.